So I received this shelf as a gift from the brand and I absolutely love it. You can use it for so many different things, from the bathroom to the kitchen to your craft room. Really, the sky's the limit. And I wanted to organize my pantry. I have a very small kitchen, which is something that I'm not used to. So I was looking to add more space. And you can't really add more cabinets to a kitchen, but you can add a shelf. Now it was a little bit taller, so this would have been the actual height, which is almost as tall as the door, but the shelf did not fit inside of the little closet area because it's right under the stairs, so it has a slant. So I did have to remove one of the shelves after I had put it together. However, now it fits absolutely perfectly in my cabinet. These shelves, they do pull out. So if you had different things on the shelf, you could easily pull it out so you can see what was in the back, or it also makes it very easy when you are stocking your shelves. So I absolutely love, I still have to tighten up these screws up here, but I absolutely love this shelf and the space that it added to my itty bitty storage closet. This is the only space I have in my entire kitchen. So I was really pleased with the amount of space that it added. And I almost forgot to mention that it is on wheels, which is very nice. So I could push it in easily and remove it easily whenever I want to restock or refill. So that is very nice. Makes it very easy to transport and move around and fill as needed.